Hello and welcome to the Nissan EV Owners UK group. I'm Paul Eden. Makoto Uchida's tenure of Nissan will come to a close soon. At the end of March 2025, he'll be replaced as President and CEO of Nissan Motor Corporation. Uchida took over during a turbulent period following Carlos Ghosn's scandal, and he made some early progress steadying the ship. In the early 2020s, as margins and profits climbed and the company unexpectedly strengthened its alliance with Renault. Many thought the alliance was doomed, but Uchida was known to be active in the Renault-Nissan purchasing organisation that had successfully reduced manufacturing costs, and he nurtured a good working relationship with Renault's Luca De Meo, and the alliance blossomed, particularly in areas where they expected progress, such as electric vehicles. He was awarded an honorary CBE in 2024, but things were already going badly. In February 2025, his turnaround plan didn't impress. Profits were falling fast, and the Honda-Nissan merger never really got off the starting blocks, let alone reach the first hurdle. Honda viewed Uchida as an obstacle. Nissan's credit rating tumbled. It was all over for Uchida. He told reporters in March 2025 that he'd lost the trust of some of his employees. That's code for he was sacked. At the press conference officially announcing his intention to leave, he looked tired, unhappy and frankly uninterested. I'm afraid Makoto Uchida's time at Nissan won't be viewed favourably by history. A sacked CEO rarely leaves a legacy he's proud of. Who's the new boy then? It's not Jeremy Papan, as I and others confidently predicted. 46-year-old Mexican Ivan Espinosa will become Nissan's fourth CEO in 8 years. Despite his young years, he's been with Nissan for 22 years. Papan does get a promotion to the board though. Thus far, Espinosa has refused to talk about the Honda merger. When asked by reporters, he said,
I would refrain from commenting on speculation at the moment. My immediate focus is to work with the team, get them engaged, and look forward into the future. Yeah.
Something that has long bothered me, particularly when you compare them to Renault's efforts using identical platforms, is vehicle development timelines. Espinosa said they'll be shortened from 52 months to 37 months. This is very welcome news. Car companies make money by selling cars, and they need new models in the showrooms now to get cash coming in. He also plans to personally oversee development of new Qashqai and Duke, Nissan's best-selling cars in the UK, and by extension, this confirms the future of the Sunderland plant. Espinosa is known to be fond of the Silvia brand. We know it in the UK as the four-cylinder, often turbocharged 200SX. The car featured advanced technologies for its time, such as 6-speed gearboxes, four-wheel steer and high-compression petrol engines. It's a slightly left-field choice of favourite. The GTR is a more conventional choice. Don't be surprised if Espinosa's time at the top of Nissan brings us electric Silvia and more Z cars. In 2024, he told Top Gear he felt car makers had forgotten the passion for cars and that younger buyers weren't offering fun stuff. So he's a car guy, and there's got to be good news for Nissan. He's young, dynamic, and he is Nissan through and through. On April 1st, 2025, Ivan Espinosa will be getting his feet under that big desk in Yokohama. What lies ahead is daunting. I wonder how long it'll be before he's talking to Honda. Thank you for watching. There's much more to come on this story. I'm very grateful for any comments below, and I will reply to all of them. Thanks again.